to do my duty to God and my country, the Republic of the Philippines, and to obey the Scout law, to help other people at all times, to keep myself physically strong, mentally awake, and morally straight. A Scout is trustworthy, loyal, helpful, friendly, courteous, kind, obedient, cheerful, thrifty, brave, clean, and reverent. Ready? Front! Next time, pagka pinag-scout sign kayo, 3 na. Hindi 2. Dati-rati 2 lang eh. Pero ngayon, dahil sabi nga, pantay-pantay lahat ng mga Boy Scout, whether you are in the Kid Scouting, Cub Scouting, Boy Scouting, or Senior Scouting, and even in college, Rover Scouting, palaging 3 na. Wala na yung 2. Okay? Next time. So, sa bisa ng kapangyarihan pinagkaloob sa akin ng Boy Scouts of the Philippines at ng World Scout Organization, bilang Council Scout Executive ng ating lalawigan, kayo ay aking itinatalaga bilang Kid Scouts ng Boy Scouts of the Philippines at malugod na tinatanggap sa pandaigdigang samahan ng Scouting. Congratulations sa bawat isa.
Excuse me po.